What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at another new beard company. So make sure you stay tuned for this one. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, beard product reviews, tutorials, tips, tricks, you name it. Alright, if it relates to beards, if it relates to the outdoors, I'm doing it. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at Wildside Beard Company. They're based out of Flora, Illinois, and they were started by two self-proclaimed redneck biker dudes, Jason Smith and Tom Gordon. They started in February of 2019 when they began to sell products that they were making for themselves for their own beards. So they pride themselves in all natural ingredients. They have 8 scents available right now, as well as having koozies and stickers and hats, all kind of stuff. Oh, and by the way, stay tuned through the end of this because I'm gonna have a discount code for you. But anyway, their beard oils and their beard balms, we're going to be talking about one of the scents today. If you are a subscriber and you saw my unboxing video, you know what we're going to be talking about today. Naughty Pine. Alright, so we're going to be talking about the oil and the balm. So there is the balm, there is the oil. Wait a minute. Have you seen their logo? Have you seen, I mean, that's really not a good representation. Hold on a second. Okay, so now that you saw their logo, pretty awesome, right? This really just doesn't do it justice. What I can get to focus here really just doesn't do it justice. So, but each one of their scents has a backdrop of something relating to that scent. So this one, we've got some pine needles and that kind of thing in the background. This is Naughty Pine. It comes, the oil, we'll start with the oil. It comes in a 1 ounce amber glass dropper top bottle. You've got their scent right here, their logo, 1 ounce, and on the back you've got their ingredients and their social media and their website. The ingredients on this is jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and scented with premium grade essential oils. All right, so now let's go to the balm. Balm comes in a silver screw top tin. This is 2 ounces. Same kind of logo on the front with their scent here. On the back, we've got their ingredients, their website, and their social media. Ingredients for their balm: beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, scented with premium grade essential oils. All right, so let's go back to the oil. The oil is kind of a cloudy, yellowish, and I'm gonna give it kind of a lighter, it's kind of on the light side. And the balm is on the yellow side. Now their balm is kind of a medium consistency, but it emulsifies almost immediately. Pretty much it's gone. So, and you definitely get the pine, and it just smells like good, just a woodsy scent. And the oil out of bottle, you really get the pine, but then once you put it in beard, and it almost, all right, how many of you guys hunt? Where I hunt is a lot of pine trees, and a lot of what we use to deer hunt for cover scent is pine scent. When I opened this bottle, that's the scent that I got. It smelled like a pine tree. Now some of you, that's not going to be your cup of tea, it's not going to be up your alley, but for those of you that like the pine and the fir kind of smells, this is great. Now the scent did change a little bit. I put it in beard, and probably 30 minutes, 45 minutes later, I was getting a little bit different notes of something. Really couldn't pinpoint what it was, but it did change. And it's not as strong. In bottle, it's pretty strong pine. It's pretty strong pine, but then once you put it in beard, when I first opened it, I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. Put it in beard, it tames that pine down. And according to their website, this is a blend of pine, cedar, sandalwood, and other earthy scents. So you can really pick that up when you add some heat to it. You get it in beard, you can really pick up those other notes. The pine's just up front, in your face, in bottle. But when you put it in beard, you get a bunch of the other stuff. It all kind of blends in nicely, and you get a really good mix, a really unique smell. After 15 to 30 minutes, it turns into a really unique smell. Now, I use this for about 2 weeks. I varied it up. Some days I used just the oil, some days I used the oil and the balm. There were a couple nights I used the balm at night when I went to bed. But really, I got the best scent, best lingering scent, most long lasting was when I used just the oil. It just stayed with me longer, and I could smell this for 6 hours, maybe closer to 7 some days. But it was a really good scent once I got it in beard. All right, so they are selling on Etsy, and they have their own website. So I'll drop links in the description below for both of those. Now, if you go to their website and click on shop, it's going to take you to their Etsy page. So if you just want to go buy this, I'll drop the Etsy link in the description below. Promo code, save you 15% on your entire purchase. Anything you want to buy from Wildside Beard Co. is all caps, Beard Outdoor 15. I'll put it right here. Use that discount code on their Etsy page, and it'll save you 15% on your entire order. Get over and check these guys out. Curious as to what else they're going to come up with. They've just been around for, right now it's June, so they've just been out for a couple months, and they've got 8 cents already. So I'm curious as to what they're going to come up with next. This scent is really good. Price wise, all of their oils and all of their balms are $14 on their Etsy page. $14. So it's right there at market average. You're not going to get, it's right in there. And this is a full 2-ounce tin. It's a 1-ounce bottle. So it's right there in that market average. So definitely get over and check out Wildside Beard Co. Thank you guys for sending this to me and letting me test it out. Greatly appreciate it. This is one that I will be using continuously. All right, guys, as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.